Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am really excited to show you today my new nail desk. I'm going to do a tour of it. I'm going to show you what's on top of the desk, what's inside the desk, and I got it from my husband for Christmas, so I was really excited about that. I was in need of a new one, so I'll go through everything now, and if you have any questions or comments, please ask below when I'm done the video and I'll answer as quick as I can. Okay, so to start with, we have this coffee tea warmer. I got that because a lot of clients like to bring a drink, so this way they'll be able to keep them warm. And over here is my UV LED combination Sun 548 watt lamp. It is awesome for doing all UV or LED gels, so I like having two of them on my desk, as you see, and of course they do have timers, which is great as well. So that's that. And over here I have my hand sanitizer, which my clients and myself put on before a service. Here is a bit holder I got from AliExpress. It has all my bits that I use. I have ceramic bits, my barrel bit, cuticle bits, little brushes, all that's in there. And I sanitize those before they go in there and disinfect them. Okay, here is my little tray I just got from Winners. It's a little spin one, which I love. And in that, I carry my lotion for after the service. It's vanilla bean and sugar cane. I also have my Star Nails cuticle oil that I use on my clients after a service. Also, we've got Star Nail resins in here. My favorite, the Star Nail self-activating brush-on resin. Here's another bottle of it in a different holder. And I have my transfer foil glue that I got from AliExpress in there. The other thing I hold in this is my acetone, which I use so much for doing stamping. Okay, so we'll move over to the middle here. Here I have an armrest, which I just made for my new desk. As well, here I have my Valentino extra large mounted dust collector. And this is my favorite thing of all because it's really going to make my life a lot easier and not so much dust. Inside I have a vent. Here's the vent, and also the tray, the filter for collecting all that dust, and you have to empty that after each service. It also will slide into the top. So there's that. And then you can see I have it on top of my desk. Here is my light. It's an LED light, nice and bright for services. I got that from Canada Nail Supplies. Of course, here is my other UV LED light. And another container I got from Winners. Really like, again, because it does spin. In it I have my nail prep. I have my LCN Super Shine. I also have my NSI line out, and that's for when you're filing and there's a little line, you can cover that up and it'll hide it as you're using your gels over top. Here's also a Star Nail Extra Strength Primer. Canny Top Coat from AliExpress, as well as my C&D Shellac Glitter Top Coat. I just did that in a previous video. And of course my Canny Base. My Canny Primer is in here as well. And I also have another primer, Ersk gel primer, and I got that from a Russian YouTuber. Now moving over here, we have my isopropyl alcohol, which I use to remove that sticky inhibition layer. So that's what I have in there, and I have my brush for dusting off, and I like to hold my wipes for removing the sticky inhibition layer from the nails. It's extra brushes for doing art, and then my Swarovski little pen for picking up, wax pen for picking those up. In here I have silicone brushes, my claw for stamping, extra brushes, my cuticle pusher. And then this one is my main brushes I use for builders. There's my Ombré one, my favorite. Also dotting tools. And I just put that on the side. So moving over here, everyone always asks me what I use for any file. I use Turbo File 2. And I got that from Cosmoprof. I just love it. And I should state over here, this container was just from the dollar store. Nice to find ones like that. Okay, moving over here. This little long item, this was from AliExpress, and this is what I put my iPhone 6s on to do all my videoing for my Watch Me Work videos. Okay, so now we're going to move over to the drawers. I will show you them here. Okay, to start with, in this drawer I have my builder gels for Canni. I have a Cachet Pink Warm Ombré that some clients still like using that. I have Young Nails gloss. I have my Canni mix. I have all my Canni builders. And you can see back here, it goes way back. I have a lot of Ombré products back there. Actually, I'll pull it out and show you so you can see. So there's some more Ombré products and some Young Nails. Moving to the next ones, and like a miscellaneous drawer, I have ceramic tiles for putting glue on and color, some of the little brushes for applying the glue, of course some extra brushes, some trays for using Swarovski crystals to separate them, and glitters in here as well, some cuticle nippers and little scissors. And in this one, some more little tools, spatula. And back there, because the drawers are so big, I'm able to I have some medium filing bits. I have just some extra type forms, some extra cuticle scissors or nippers. Okay, and in this one I store all of my files, all of my buffers, also my forms. These ones are from Banggood, these are from Can West Aesthetics, and a lot of these files I either get from Can West or AliExpress has these really nice ones. Okay, in the next drawer, this is just kind of my drawer I use for pictures, my props. So you've got the big diamond. I got this from Michael's. These are all from the dollar store, these little crystals. I have this is just a dollar store thing, and I found the paper, so I wrapped it. Some little cloths with little different designs, and I got those from Walmart. They open up. And my Beauty Big Bang, I also got a stamping mat. So that's what's in that one. Down here this is more for showing gels and art, and there's my practice hand. There's the little practice nails. In this one, I have my little bottle organizer just to show what each color is. And these are for these little guys for showing some art and color. And of course, I have some extra little things that I can put all my colors on to show my clients. Okay, so now we're gonna move over here. In this drawer, I have all my canni.gel paints, my UR sugar ones as well. Going down to my next drawer, this is my favorite glitters of all time, is Light Elegance. So most of these on this side are glitter. Over here is a few glitter at the back and some color and some more Light Elegance colors. Down in this drawer, we have a bunch of different brands. We have Prisma, we have On Vogue, we have Onyx. There's some Fusion, just a mixture. And again, over here we have Light Elegance top and base coats. We have an IBD one. We have Light Elegance flat mat. So that's what's in that one. And in this one, I keep my files just for me. Nobody else uses them. There's my label maker, which I love having that around. Here's my filters for my Valentino dust collector, extra ones, of course some tape. And the last drawer has my extra canni products in here as well. Just my glass case. I do wear glasses when I do nails, and my just paper towels. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Again, any questions or comments, please post below in the comment section, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.